Good morning. The Indian indices were kind of lucky to stay closed on Wednesday, as global cues would have otherwise caused some weight loss. The moment of a day up, a day down has been on for a while, and now indices will look at breaking out the 5,640 to 5,740 level sooner than later. The start is said to be little muted as indices catch up with the movements across the globe. The FNO expiry and the holiday on Wednesday will ensure that the market swings wildly, especially towards the close. The Asian indices are choppy, though mostly in the green. US indices ended slightly lower. The Federal Reserve's latest policy statement has no indications of any major change to interest rate or the central bank's plan to stimulate the economy through large bond buying programs. Stocks like Kane will continue to remain in focus as investors speculate on the quantum of dividend the company may declare next week. On the political front, reports indicate that Rahul Gandhi may make it to the ministry in a reshuffle expected over the next weekend. Meanwhile, Finance Ministry officials are reported to be working hard to ensure that fiscal slippage this year is contained within the 5.1 mark. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 801 million in the cash segment on Friday, while the domestic institutional investors were net buyers of Rs 1.12 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 9.76 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, while the mutual funds were net sellers of Rs 1.98 billion on Monday, according to the SEBI figures. The dollar rose against the euro but fell versus the British pound and Japanese yen. Oil for December delivery rose 94 cents to $85.73 a barrel. Moving on to recommendation, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend buying Coal India November futures above Rs 365.5 for the target price of Rs 381.5 and stop loss placed at Rs 357.5. We advise buying Rallis India above Rs 140 for the target price of Rs 150 and a stop loss placed at Rs 135. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Bharti Airtel November 280 call option above Rs 6 for the target price of Rs 14 and a stop loss placed at Rs 2. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.